today, and I'm just heading to the West Indian store to get green banana and yam. As you can see, I'm at the Humber College, just waiting for the bus. Thank you for joining me in another video, and I didn't want to be selfish in eating, so I decided to share my plate and share it with you guys. Oh, let me take the tray. So here I have tea. My chocolate tea, guys. I have to put the food where the camera is picking up. Okay guys, I didn't mean to have it in my lap, but the camera has to be where the food needs to be where the camera is. Food needs to be where the camera is. And guys, what I want to say is the chicken wing. If you did not see that video, please go over to that video and take a look how I made the barbecue chicken wing. The chicken wing now, remember I was saying that the sauce was too much, so you know what, on second thought, that amount of sauce was fine if you're gonna reheat, because if you're gonna reheat, you're gonna have to reheat it in the sauce so that the chicken don't dry out. So on second thought, I would say to make that same amount of sauce, because I was saying make less, but I think you should make the same amount. And guys, I also, when I came home, I made pasta and added it to what I'm eating. These barbecue chicken wings are so good. So guys, if I don't make dumplings, I like to eat the pasta because it's made from flour, right? And this is a Negro yam. And this is some tea I made. Something warm for my stomach before I open this bottle of ginger beer. Truly is good. Green banana, sweet potato, so guys, this is a bit of a relaxation time for me out of the kitchen. Okay. So I'm just gonna eat here until the camera stops. The yellow yam, what I just bite into was the dasheen. And this is a nice piece of dasheen, guys. Because these provisions made from the ground, you have to learn about them. Sometimes if you want to buy them, you might end up saying that you want to try this food, these provisions, and then you buy them and cook them and you don't like the way they taste because you didn't buy a good piece. Sometimes the dasheen can be, it tastes a bit, I would say, chewy. Like you chewing and there's no flavor to it. So if you buy this piece of yellow yam, is nice. You have to know how to buy the yellow yam, the right piece, the right kind. The same as the breadfruit. You buy the wrong kind, doesn't taste good, it tastes bitter because you didn't buy one that was fit, or you'd say a good piece of yam or a good piece of dasheen. So for the first time, especially if you end up buying the wrong piece, you're going to be turned off and you're going to go, oh, I don't like that. So sometimes I buy them and I end up throwing them out because they're no good. And this is healthy carb or starchy food. Guys, I love chicken wings. Please comment down below and let me know if you also love chicken wings. I love barbecue chicken wings. Nice sweet potatoes. I love, same way in which I love sweet corn. And I know I should be eating with a knife and fork, but I'd rather not. Okay, I like to hold my barbecue chicken wing with my finger and enjoy it. So the remainder of the barbecue sauce, as I said, I used it to reheat the chicken. Because you leave your chicken for a while, you're gone, work or wherever. When you get back, it's cold, and you don't want to be reheating it and then it's all dried out. So good, guys. I didn't want to be selfish in just eating, all this food and not let you see. So why not share? You can always Google in the benefits, guys, of these grown provisions. Okay, these are plant-based foods. So guys, I just have to pause here and check to make sure the camera is picking me up. Guys, I just checked and my head was not in focus, so I suppose because I wanted you to see the plate. But if you're not seeing the plate, here's the plate. Let me continue, okay, because I wasn't in focus. But if you can hear me, then I'll see while editing what I can do with that. But what I was saying, guys, is that I didn't want to be selfish, right, in eating. I'm not sharing with you. And these foods are healthy. They're plant-based. They're grown from the earth. They're grown provisions. They're good for you, and you can also Google in the benefits. And also, I was saying that the barbecue sauce. I was saying that I made too much, but it wasn't too much. It won't be too much if you're gonna be leaving your chicken and planning to reheat it. Okay, and also I made pasta. Sometimes if I don't make dumplings, then pasta is what I make. It's much quicker. It's made from flour. I think. Comment down below, guys, and let me know if I'm correct. So here's my here's the negro yam. And I love chicken wings. And this is the yellow yam, and as I was saying, guys, if you pick a good piece of yellow yam, you'll enjoy it. But if you pick the worst piece, that's no good. Same like breadfruit, you'll be turned off and you'll be like, oh no, this is not for me. But it's good for you. These things are better than bread, flour. And guys, please excuse me for eating with my fingers. So guys, I'm just going to sit here and talk until the video stops. And I'm working from the back end of the camera. I think I might have to flip the camera because I can't see, if it's running or if the camera stopped. I'm going to turn it around. And remember that the video will be uploaded before this one, as well as I'm not sure, depending on how short the video is, the cooking video, I might put everything together. So, but if they're separate videos, they will be uploaded. This one will be uploaded after where I did the video that I made barbecue chicken. Let me flip the camera, guys, because so this is what's happening when you have to be recording alone you know. But I'm just trying to get you to see the food, guys. I don't really want to hold the food in my hand, but I have no choice because of how the camera, you know, is positioned. I have a tripod for my regular camera, but not for the phone. Okay. Which is why I need to start using my camera, guys, and not the phone. Sweet potato. The pasta. I cooked when I came in. So that if I start drinking my ginger beer, I'm gonna be full. So, and as I said, I'm just gonna talk until the camera stops, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, okay? Nigerian. Guys, as I said, remember that I said that you know, these foods are plant-based and healthy, and you can do your own research on them. And if you pick the right kind, the same way in which you would go and buy a mango, you know, if the mango is not ripe the right way, then it doesn't taste good. The same with the yellow yam and the sweet potato and everything. Even if you buy meat, right? So you have to buy fresh meat. So I won't be holding the plate all the time, guys. Okay, but I gave you a chance to see it. Chicken wings, yummy, yummy, yummy. And the excess sauce was used to reheat. Well, it looks like the camera